What's up, YouTube? The Investing Hub back here for another mail day. Got a bunch of cards in from eBay, Facebook, Instagram, just a bunch of mail in today, so I'm gonna be opening it up on here. See what these are. Okay. Got some Panini Mosaic cards in today. There we go. We got the pink. And then you can't see it, but there's two in this sleeve. There's two in that sleeve. And then 3 base of Terrence Davis. This is like a long shot one. It's like low risk, high reward. Like if Van Fleet gets moved in the offseason off the Raptors, he'll have a starting role. And he's pretty filthy. He's like one of the most underrated rookies in the class. So I'm taking a chance on him, picking up these. Hopefully going to pick up a National Treasures of him for cheap once the National Treasures hype's gone. So yeah, I got that one of him. There might be more of him in this mail day because I know I did order a few and I'm still ordering some of. Okay. Let's see who we got here. Oh wow. Shipping in. No top loader. Okay, let's see if these cards are damaged or not. Looks like we don't ship in top loaders anymore. Just throw it in the bubble with a random piece of cardboard. So I got a bunch of RJ. I'm buying up RJ big time. I think he's really cheap. He's still a good player, just horrible team. So a bunch of RJs. So, got those. I already have a bunch of RJs at PSA right now, but I'm still buying him. Next one is going to be this. I know. This is a soccer mail day. I know for a fact it's soccer. I bought a bunch of Messi and Ronaldos off this guy. And I've sent like 95% of the cards I bought off him to PSA, like they're in great condition. So, and he hit me up. He's like, "I know you're buying this guy. Do you want some of these?" And I was like, "Yeah, hell yeah." A bunch of the Messis and Ronaldos that he sold me are off at PSA right now. Yeah. Perfect. Alright, here we go. We got nothing big, just 6 Marcus Rashford base cards from 2018 Panini Prism World Cup. So I got 6 of them. Picked them up for, I think, 8 a pop, 9 a pop, something like that. So I'm basically just sitting on these until the Euro and World Cup. So picked up nothing big, but nice little pickup. And then we have, don't know what the hell this is. Okay, looks like okay. Perfect. Got some Eloy Jimenez base cards from 2019 Top Series 2. I'm huge on Eloy. I probably have 100 more of these cards coming in that I'm gonna look over and send to grading. But Eloy's just a beast. He's really underrated, great hitter, and the White Sox are just gonna be loaded. They have Moncada, Eloy, Robert coming up, Madrigal coming up, Kopech gonna be pitching. I think in 2 to 3 years, the White Sox are gonna be real contenders to win. So I'm stacking up on a bunch of Eloy, just gonna send them all to PSA, wait for them to come back, sell like 50 of them, not 50, 50% of what I have, and then like the other 50 I'm just gonna sit on until they start making playoff runs. So really high on Eloy, picking up a bunch of his. This one's gonna be my favorite mail day today, so I'm gonna do that one last. Next we have another eBay purchase. So let's get into this one. Let's see what we have. Yep. More Eloy. Perfect. Same thing, just picking up a bunch of Series 2 base Eloys. Nothing special. I did pick up a gold the other day from eBay. It's in perfect condition, so that's already at PSA. But got more Eloys. Like I said, got about another 100 coming in, and I'm going to keep stacking them heavily. We got a big box. I actually don't know what this is, so we're going to see. I don't know what I ordered that was this, that was needed to be in a box, so you would think bubble mailer's fine. Okay. Yeah, we got, wow, okay. Got them in a grocery bag. Oh, okay. Sweet. Yep. Got 3 Panini Prism World Cup soccer fat packs from 2018. Sweet. I have 4 more of these coming in, but I'm actually going to make another video on this. Another video breaking just these after this now. So look for my next video to be posting what I open these, but sweet. Could have just something in a bubble, I guess. Maybe. Alright, and now my favorite part of today's mail day. I got all these cards for, by the way, this took like 2 to 3 weeks to get in here because it's from Portugal, but this package is some soccer cards that I bought for, I want to say $100. Yeah, I think I got them for $100, and right now they're probably worth $400 at least. No, more than that. This is probably worth, they're probably worth like $500 to $600, and I literally got them for, I think it was either 90 or 100 shipped. I paid goods and services and everything because I was like, this is too good to be true, but it really wasn't. These cards came, so. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, I did not think these would come. I paid goods and services because I was like, I got these for way too good of a deal. Like, if you check comps, and if you know soccer and you check comps, you see that these cards for $100 is the best deal you could ever get. Like, I'm sitting on Timo Werner for the World Cup to let his shit appreciate more, and then when Germany's in the World Cup, then I'm gonna sell. But like, if I wanted to sell these now, I could easily like 5-6x my money if I sold right now raw. So I don't know how, I've never seen a guy package with saran wrap, so this is gonna be great packaging though. Can't be mad at that. Don't want to spoil it. There's some sick cards in here. I paid like, the silvers go for like 50 to 70 on eBay. And I remember him telling me like, it was like, I forget, I think he said like $10 a silver. I asked him how much for the silvers, and because like at first I was like, I'm not going to pick up the big card in here that's out of 149 because it's like a $200 card. Like I didn't want to go all in on that one. And he told me that the silver was $10, I think, for both of them. No, $10 each, and he had two, and I was like, oh, yeah, I'll do that. And then the prices he was just telling me, I was like, hell yeah, like I'm picking these up. And then there we have it, the mail day. Okay, so I got Timo Werner base, Timo Werner base, Timo Werner silver, another silver, black gold. This thing alone probably sells for $100, what the whole thing sells for. Like, I got a ridiculous deal on this. Another one, orange, green, orange, whatever you want to say. These do a good amount too, I think over 40. Another base. And then boom, the main card, a green Timo Werner out of 149. This just did 220 last night on eBay on auctions, but the auction was shilled and they relisted it right after because the buyer canceled. So I'm predicting these are about, I'd say 150 to 170, because it blew out of 199 just to 200 the other day, but I think this is like a solid like $170 card. So I got this for $70 off and basically all these for free. So this was just an unreal deal. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna do some more mail days when I got a bunch of mail in. Got a bunch of mail coming in this week. So thanks for watching.